Hey, Papo here. Hey, we got quite the event today. We are going to have a blast. At least I am. But here's what we're up to today. We are going to do some trail riding on the ATV and maybe do a little metal detecting along the way. Yeah. Well, let's get this baby fired up and get it headed out on our adventure. Yeah, baby. Right, yeah. Oh, snap. Well, that didn't go as planned. All right. Now, years ago, back in the 1800s, there used to be an old house back here someplace, old homestead. And I'm going to see if I can find out where exactly this is at. There should be a lot of good stuff back here if I can just find it. So, I'll find something. I'll let you know. Well, I must be on the right track because check this out. Part of an old horseshoe. How about that? That's freaking awesome. Look how, I wonder how long that's been in the ground. Man. Wow. That's history right there. Get this out. Look at that. Looks like maybe a piece of that buckshot or something. It's been, whatever it is, it's been fired. It's got a flat spot on it, so it's hit something. That's pretty cool. First one of those I found. Sweet. Just goes to show, no matter how far you go back in the woods, you're still going to find the ever famous beaver tail. You want to see something pretty? Check out this view. This is beautiful. This is what I grew up with on this farm. Used to be a big hayfield. My dad and grandpa and my uncles used to farm this with horses, plows. I can't imagine that. Dad worked hard back in his younger days. So darn sure. That's going to be my hunt for today. I'm going to start heading back to the house. I want to visit with my mom before I load up and go home. So I'll give you a wrap up when I get back to my house and let you know how my hunt went. Found a few interesting things today. Didn't find any coins, didn't find any jewelry, but still, I found some pretty good stuff. So, y'all be kind, love one another, and I'll catch you on the next adventure. Well, of course, no hunt would be complete without some bottle caps and a piece of can slaw and some aluminum foil, and I found a shotgun shell. I found a piece of a horseshoe, a couple bolts, and some kind of a chunk of iron. And I'm gonna say these are wild beaver tails here because I found them way back in the woods. So I didn't find them city park. You had to find the tame ones in the city park, but these are the wild ones. Yeah, you don't see very many wild ones, so They're kind of elusive, kind of like a Sasquatch. But there you are. There's my hunt for today. And all this here, I showed this to my brother, and he thinks this might be a small caliber pistol shot instead of buckshot, because it's kind of pretty good size. It's awful big for double aught, he said. So that could be an old pistol shot. Who knows? Like I say, man, this property's been in my family since the 1800s, so it could be anything. But I think it was a pretty cool find. Love it.